The exclamation mark, friend or foe? Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood in English grammar: the exclamation mark. While this punctuation mark can inject excitement and emphasis into our writing, it's also very easy to misuse. Today's focus is a common error: overusing exclamation marks. So, let's get started and find out how to use this punctuation mark correctly. An exclamation mark, also known as an exclamation point, is a punctuation mark usually used at the end of a sentence. It typically conveys strong emotions such as surprise, anger, or excitement. For example, "I can't believe you're moving to Italy. What a wonderful gift." Remember, the exclamation mark is a tool to express strong emotion. But with great power comes great responsibility. So, what's wrong with using too many exclamation marks? Well, when overused, they can become less impactful. Imagine if someone was always shouting or always extremely excited about everything. After a while, it might lose its effect, right? The same goes for exclamation marks. "I can't wait to see you. We're going to have so much fun. The weather is going to be great. We'll go to the beach and eat lots of ice cream." In this example, using so many exclamation marks not only makes the message less impactful but also makes the writing seem less professional or even childish. So, overuse of exclamation marks can dilute their impact and make your writing appear less mature or professional. The key to using exclamation marks effectively is restraint. They should be used sparingly and only when the situation really warrants it. For instance, use them when you want to express genuine surprise, enthusiasm, or to convey urgency. "Wow, that's an amazing view. Help, I'm stuck." Use exclamation marks sparingly and only when you need to express strong emotion or urgency. This way, they will have a bigger impact when you do use them. And that brings us to the end of our discussion on the overuse of exclamation marks. Remember, these punctuation marks are great for adding excitement and emotion to your writing, but like all good things, they should be used in moderation. Be mindful and use exclamation marks to enhance your writing, not overpower it. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and happy writing!